Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by creating a clear pricing sheet in Excel with labeled columns. Create columns named Cost, Markup Percent, Price, QTY, and Total Revenue for clarity. Enter supplier cost values in the cost column as numbers with cents. Use a formula in the price column such as equals A2 asterisk, 1 plus B2 for automatic markup calculations. Format price and cost as currency so values display with dollar and 2 decimals. Add QTY as whole numbers for units sold in inventory tracking. Multiply price by QTY in total revenue to show. Leverage Excel formulas to keep pricing consistent and accurate across your sheet. Use absolute references like when referencing a global markup rate across many rows. Apply IF formulas to enforce minimum margins and prevent negative or zero prices from entering your model. Use built-in functions like round to standardize to whole cents for customer display. Test with a 25% markup and a 3.5% discount scenario to validate your formulas. Copy formulas down columns using the fill handle for fast propagation. Analyze pricing outcomes with Excel tools to make confident decisions. Create pivot tables to summarize total revenue by SKU, category, or sales channel for quick insights. Use Scenario Manager or data tables to compare outcomes for different markups and costs side by side. Forecast an order of 500 units at 0 each to get a 0,000 revenue projection and validate capacity needs. Add conditional formatting to highlight margins below target thresholds for immediate attention. Protect sheets and lock formula cells to prevent accidental edits when.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.